Hey guys, today we're back for another video, and today we are going to be reviewing the Piratix Shark Treasure Skull Cave. So without further ado, let's get into it. So firstly, let's just look at the packaging. You can see on this side, advertises the Shark Cave because it's kind of a set. Haven't opened this one yet. This is the steps. So yeah, pause and read that if you want. That is the contents. 1 Skull Cave, 1 exclusive treasure, 1 monster spider, 1 Captain Scully, 1 weapon, and 1 scepter. And here's the bottom. The legal rubbish. So let's open it, shall we? Now I have already cut the ties, so I can just pull it out, I think. Oh yes, we've got twisty ties, haven't we? So, haven't these been made with the same material they've used to make the cobwebs? Which, yeah, I suppose it's smart instead of just using a separate material. Nice design on the cardboard there, not what you can really see, but it's got like a skull on there and some other stuff. Right then, so I'm pretty sure, if we look here, yes, so you need to find the combination. It's not much of a combination, you literally just twist this upside down and whoa, the cave opens. Now, what have we got in here? Oh, we've got some tissue paper. Oh, it's got Captain Scully in it. Nice. Yep, Captain Scully. If I'm honest, I thought it'd be a bit bigger, but evidently not. He's quite flexible. It's like how the curse crew I've actually got up here. They're like the stuff they're made out of isn't the same. It's more bendy. It's a bit like that. It's weird, but anyways, yeah. Here is Captain Scully. Nice. You know, the origin of Captain Scully is actually quite dark for kids' toys. He goes into the cave, and like, I think it's something along the lines of he finds treasure there and he wants to guard it, and he has just stayed there. He's been there for so long, he's now just become a skeleton with some meat on it. Right then, so what have we got inside the cave? I believe we should be able to open it now. Yes. Right then. So, there's the cave. So, what do it want us to do? First, it wants us to find the treasure. So, Captain Scully can... Where's the treasure? Here's the treasure, it appears. Yes, under the cobweb. There we go. Right. Take a look at the treasure. Oh, it appears to have the spider on, which is chilling up here for now. Nice. So I think we're supposed to keep that. I'm not just gonna like throw it in a bonfire or something. So, reveal the weapon, right? So, Captain Scully, you're gonna have to lie down. Well, wait, he's dead. So I think you're supposed to open this, right? Oh yeah, and then you've got the torch there. So I suppose it's a weapon. You know, they very rarely call these things weapons. Like usually they just like call it an accessory, but no, it's just like a cheaply made blue torch. All right, we're going by the box. He's holding it in his right hand. Yeah, there we go. Right then, what do we do now? According to the box, look for the skull scepter. Alright, well, I wonder where that could be. It's under this cobweb. For anyone curious, I got this in the end station in Colchester. Then I think put this into here. Nice. And then I can put that in his other hand. There we go. Then what it wants to do, put this treasure on the scepter. Yeah, we've done that. Right now, it wants to release the spider. Not sure why he wants to release the spider, because theoretically it's just going to eat him or something. But sure. But in the cartoon, they don't seem to get angry at each other. They seem to be like the spider seems to be his pet. So I don't know. Let's just how do we release him? Do we like turn it? No. Just alright. He's dead. It's a very cheaply made plastic spider. You can see it's got the Piratix P engraved into it, so it attaches to that, which is actually quite cool. I like it. I expected it to be rubber though, honestly. Nice. It really isn't very sturdy. I know the box shows it this way, however, his other hand seems to be a lot sturdier, so I think perhaps I should switch them around. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. There we go. Nice. So now they can just like duel, or I don't know. He'll throw a stick and it'll get at you. Maybe he's like a dog. I don't know. But yeah, nice. Might just quickly have a look at the cave itself. So it's a lot more accurate to the cartoon than I thought. Let's put that like that to make our lives easier. Come on. Duh. Right. Nice cobweb over the eye. Nice detailing there. Can maybe, yeah, see some eyes poking out. Nice. Yeah, and there you go. I think that's about it for the video. So I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.